Hi, it's Emma from Beacon School Support, and in today's 90-second video I'd like to share with you an analogy known as the stress bucket. Imagine every child in your class has their own personal stress bucket. The bucket represents the amount of stress that they can comfortably contain, the volume that they can cope with day to day. Some kids will have a large bucket, others will have a small bucket. That depends on their personality, their levels of resilience, how much their basic needs are met, and how well supported they feel. Each time something they perceive to be stressful happens, the child's bucket fills up a little more. And there's only so much that children can take before their bucket becomes dangerously full. When the bucket gets too full, it overflows, and that's when we see explosive or disruptive behaviour. Even before they come to school, some kids' buckets are already starting to get full, meaning that it only takes what we perceive to be a small thing, such as asking them why they're late, for the contents of the bucket to spill over, leaving us confused and having to sort out the mess. For many children with additional needs, such as ADHD for example, the bucket fills up more frequently, making it even more difficult to hold it together at school. If you're looking for strategies to support, download our free SEN handbook today.